we are a luxury lifestyle brand, and we're involved in a myriad of activities, both within the automotive industry and outside.
There's something for everybody here. So like for us, it's the performance side, there's EVs, there's everything. So for us, it's super cool to see how things continue to change every year.
It's a great opportunity to get some face time with your guests, to see their reactions to the vehicles, and also to hear firsthand what it is that they like, what it is they want to see improved.
My favorite part of SEMA is it's finally the accumulation of a lot of hard work. Every year we get the opportunity to build a vehicle for Toyota, and we put our heart and soul into every one of them. This year we brought the FJ Bruiser.
It is the showcase of the world for the automotive industry. No, this is it right here. If you're not at SEMA, you're not anywhere.
It's really important to see what the new products there are out on the market, what new technology is available.
Us as a manufacturer, we're always trying to be in contact with the OEs as early as possible, that no matter what it is, as far as what they're trying to build, the DOT standards and safety compliances, to think about the further on and what's going to happen. If they're going to build a vehicle that's going to be catered into using in an off-road capacity, that at some point, a winch is going to be put on there. An aftermarket bumper is going to be put on there.
There's just this unique energy and excitement that guests have about the vehicles. It's been fantastic.